Hi everyone, I am Girish and today I'm going to discuss that how we can create 3D animated chart in Microsoft PowerPoint. The chart will be looking like this. So once we click, we are going to have the first stage where we are going to see the data point and the title or the description about that particular data point. Then on second click, we are going to see the second data point with description. Then on third point, we are going to discuss about third data point. And on fourth one, we are going to discuss about fourth data point with the title. And finally, we will be discussing about fifth data point. You can use this particular chart for showing growth on the basis of quarter, on the basis of year, and you can change this data as per your requirement. For your information, I am attaching this particular slides in description, so you can just go there and you can download it. So without wasting time, let's get started. So just doing it, let's insert a new slide. So I'm going to insert a new slide and I'm going to insert this blank one. So first of all, I need to just change the background. So I'm going to design tab, then I'll go to format background and I'll change this maybe to this. This seems perfect. Yeah, this is what I was looking for. Then now we need to just change all these color because this will help us to create the same kind of impact we have in earlier one. So let's put it here. Now we need to insert the shape for our requirement. So we are going to in particular insert option, then we'll go to shape and we will insert this rectangle. So I'm going to insert it here and let me take the size maybe I will go for 1 inch height and 1.25 inch width. That seems perfect. So now we have done it. We need to just format this shape. So we'll be doing right click here and we'll go to format shape. And under the shape, we are going to have this effect option. We need to click on effect. Then we are going to have this option called 3D rotation. We need to click here and we are going to select this off axis top. So just click on here. Now we can see that we have a bit 3D effect. Now we need to go to 3D format and under 3D format, we need to go to depth and we need to change the size. Let's change the size to 200. So yeah, that seems 3D, a perfect 3D what I was looking for. So now we have first point available. We can just duplicate it by doing Ctrl+D. Let me do that, Ctrl+D. And this time I'm going to change this format shape option and I'm going to change this particular 3D height as 160. So now we have another point where I'm going to discuss 160 point. We can send it to back so that we can have perfect data available for us. We can duplicate it again, Ctrl+D. And this time I'll change this width to 120. So now we have third data point available here. We can duplicate it again. And this time we'll change this to 80. So make it 80 point. And finally, we are going to have the fifth one. We can duplicate again by doing Ctrl+D. And we'll change the size to 40. Perfect. So we have this available for us now. Let's make it so it can be, we can have more space for our data point and other details. We can do this, just tweak as per our requirement. Now we are going to select each of them, and we'll go to home, then we'll go to arrange, and we click on distribute horizontally. When you go to arrange, align, and distribute vertically. So now we have perfect this point available here. Now what we need to do, we need to just take these. So we can do that pretty easy. Let me do that just one for now here. How we can do that? We can go to insert, we can go to shape, and we can use this one, which is oval. Just for your information, I'll try to copy paste, but if you want to do that, you can do that pretty easy. And you can insert the icon here. You can go to insert, and you can go to icon, and you can add any icon. Like for in my case, I'm doing this technology, so you can click here and insert, and then you can just fit as per your requirement. Let's make it a bit small, and you can change the color of this particular to white. So that's look good. And now you can insert title and subtitle as well. It's pretty easy. Go to insert, go to shape, then we have text option available. We can insert title here, insert title, and we can do the same. Like we can go to insert again. We can go to this text box, and we can insert it here as well. The subtitle, we can just decrease the size. So this is pretty easy. I mean, you can do that any day. This seems pretty easy. Let me reduce size to 14. So this is subtitle. So you can do that by own. It is time taking. So what I'm doing is I'm going to take this data from the first slide just to save time. So let me copy everything, and I'm going to paste it here. What I'll do is I need to change the color of these. So let me go here, and again we'll do right click, format shape. Here we are going to change this color. Go to eyedropper and fill it with this color. Go to eyedropper, fill it with this color. And now this has been click on height. We need to do this for line as well. So we are going to line. We click on eye dropper, and now perfectly we do have this. Let's do this for this as well. So here we are going to eyedropper. We'll select this one. We again go to color, and we can see the recent color available here. So we can fill it here. On third one, we are again going for eyedropper. We select third color. Then we go here on line option, and again we do have available this color in recent use. Then we go to fourth one. Again we go to fill color. We go to eyedropper. We are going to select fourth one. Then we go to line, and we have this available here in recent color. We are going to click on this color particular, and finally we are going to fill the fifth one. We go to eyedropper again, and we are going to this. And finally for line, we can again do this, and this particular color available here. So now we have perfect this point available. All 5 points are available here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to insert this. This is pretty easy. You can go to insert, go to shape, and you can select this one. This is called teardrop. So I'm going to select this, and I can rotate it as per our requirement, and we are going to put it here. Let's make it shape no outline, and we can insert again. We go to insert, and we go to shape, and we can fill this text box. So text box available here as well. You can do that from here. So let me insert a point like here. I have mentioned 10. So here I'm going to insert text box and I'll insert 10. Okay, so this is 10. We need to change the font. So we go here. Let me change this Gotham Black and let me increase the size to maybe 44. Yeah, that seems good. And we can change the color to this to white. So this is how I have taken it. So this is like the first one. Just to save time, I can copy all these from top. So I can copy this one, this, and this. I can copy those and I can paste it here. Let me, yeah, that seems perfect now. Okay, so we have done it. Now, finally, we have this data available. We can insert this as well, copy from here, and we are going to paste it here. Now we need to do animation, which is like the best part for this. So let's do animation. How we can do that? We need to select this point, the first point, and this numbering and title, because this is what we are going to do in first one. So select all these, go to animation, and what I did is wipe animation. We can increase the size to 1. So this is like first one. Then we go to select second one. We again select second one, and we are going to wipe, and we increase the size to 1 minute. 1 second, sorry. And then we go select to third one, and we'll do wipe, and we increase the size to 1 second. Then we go to fourth one, and we are going to select this one. Again, we'll go to wipe and increase the time to 1 second. And finally, on fifth one, we are going to select this as well as this, and we have make it wipe. Okay, perfect. So this seems what we were looking for. Let's check it how everything is working. So you can understand that this is working pretty fine the way we want. Perfect. So hope you like this. If you have any questions regarding this, you can certainly drop a point to the comment section. I will be creating more videos on PowerPoint. And if you are new to PowerPoint, you can just go to my another playlist where I have started with basic PowerPoint. You can just learn that. And if you like this, do not forget to subscribe this channel. Thank you. Thanks for your time. We'll see you next time. Thank you.